Hi guys, holiday season is coming and this is a Christmas dress and the Santa dress for a kid. So this is the large size dress for 10 to 12-year old kid. So this comprise of all the things required to be in the Christmas costume. So I will show you one by one. This is the belt, gloves. This is the gift bag. Cap. Stitches well and comfortable cap. So these are the beard with elastic band. This is the wig for the head. These are the shoes. And the shoe cover, I will say you can put as a trouser. This polyester cloth, hand washed. This is the jacket. You can see is the fur jacket with a soft clothing. And this have this velcro on the top and then the zipper thing to open and close. So it looks pretty nice, comfortable. This fits well to my 10-year-old kid, and you can see like the cap and everything is fine with the Christmas stuff. With a little close up, you can see the beards and the dress is fitting well. With the side view, the back. So everything look nice and fitting well. Hope you enjoy this Christmas. Take care, enjoy.